don't overcomplicate shit. You got a wife at home that you truly love and relationship is worth fucking saving. Go home tonight and just brush your hand along her back. Like,
make her feel loved. Make her feel good. Make yourself feel good too, though.
Exactly. But like do something that's out of the norm, because walking home tonight thinking she's gonna fucking recognize that you're different because you listened to this podcast or you went on to listen to YouTube or you went to a counselor today. Right. Like, that doesn't do anything. You have to take an action to it. Right. Maybe just smile at her and tell her, you look beautiful today. Like, just that small thing, if you truly mean it, you're not gonna be getting your fucking dick sucked probably.
Right.
But you can start literally becoming closer to what you want today and then stop living in the pain. Because, when I was talking to Sean Whalen in Cabo and he told me a story about like when he met Sax, and he's like, I went all in for me.
Yes.
I went all in for me.
Yes.
Right. And then it hit me for you, right? I did the same thing. I went all in for me. I realized that you could cheat on me anytime. You could take half my money all the time. You could do whatever the fuck you wanted. You could kill me in my sleep. I can't stop anything you do, but I can do everything that I do every day.
100%. I agree. Yeah.
And when you look at it, you actually hold the keys. Like, I know say that you hold the keys of the kingdom, but you hold the keys to your freedom. My takeaway for you guys out here is beating's cheating. The best 13 seconds of your life I give you.
Why is that funny every single time?
I don't know. It's a running joke. And I guess cancel your Pornhub subscription.
Absolutely.
All right. That's it for today's episode of the Comeback Couples Podcast. We will see you guys next week.